Placing an element at the center of its container might not be the hardest programming problem, but you can always be a beginner or just a backend developer. So let's find out today 3 ways how we can place an element to the center of its container. Option number 1 would be to center the element itself, and we can achieve so by using position absolute. We'll use position absolute. Then we will offset from the top of the container by 50% of the height of the container. Then we will offset by 50% of the width of the container, which actually doesn't place the element exactly in the middle. So we need to move it a little bit to the left and a little bit to the top. By using transform, translate, minus 50% and minus 50% vertically. And here we go. Another option we have is to tell container itself to position its children to the center, which we can achieve by either using display flex, and then we would need to justify the content to the center, and then we would need to align all the items to also be in the center. And here we go. But we can achieve the same thing, but with just 2 lines of code by using display grid. We will use display grid, and then we will just use place content center. From now on, it doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or you're a backend developer. You can always position your elements to the center of their container.